What's the meaning of crew? Crew. Crew.
Crew. Crew. Crew refers to a group of individuals who work together on a task or project, typically on a ship, aircraft, or film production. The members of a crew typically have specific roles and responsibilities to ensure the success and safety of their mission. Crews are often highly skilled and specialized in their respective fields, including navigation, engineering, maintenance, and production. Effective communication and teamwork are crucial for the success of any crew. In summary, a crew is a cohesive team that collaborates to achieve a common goal, whether it be sailing a ship across the ocean or making a blockbuster movie.